What's going on, everybody? Wilson here from a Cali Collective Project, where we specialize in informative, engaging, and entertaining videos. And today we have a special guest on the show, Chris Kocher. Chris, how's it going, man? How are you?
Hello, doing great. How are you?
All right, very good. And in this segment, this video, guys, we're introducing you to people that we've done business with or interact with, these human beings that help other people with other things, problem solutions. And today, Chris, let's jump right into it. So, Chris, just give us a quick little overview, or the first question would be, what problem do you help solve for people?
Yeah, so I'm a CPA. So obviously I assist people with preparing tax returns. So the problems could range from I owe too much tax, what can I do? Or I started a business, I don't know how to handle it. I don't know what to file, I don't know when to file, I don't know how to file.
Awesome. Yeah. And some personal testament for sure, because there's definitely a lot of questions that I had. And you know, again, thanks for you providing some of that information and helping me get on track. All right. Question number 2, then. What made you want to get into this type of service for others? I'm sure it was the excitement and all the things that you got to deal with, right?
So I'll be honest. I used to work in the corporate world, and one Christmas, the people I worked for told me I needed to fire half my staff. And I said, no, I'll quit instead. And so I left, started my own company, and basically wanted to be able to help people who needed help with what those problems that I just mentioned. I want to be able to help people and not break them at the same time. So I'm a CPA, I have that certification, one of the lowest priced CPAs. And I don't say that to try and get business. I say that because I try to help people, and taking too much money from them is obviously not a good way to help them. But that's how I got into it. I wanted to be able to help people. I wanted to be able to provide good service. And I wanted to be able to help them watch out for some of the bad service that's out there from other tax preparers.
Yeah. And you know what, dealing with, having conversations with you and being able to sit and talk, just your amount of information that you have, that you take and process, it's almost like I can tell, or you showcase the fact that you put that extra work into be on top of all these things that change. We're part of the BNI group every Thursday in the morning, 8 o'clock. If anybody's interested, any business owners want to come see us. But there's so much information that even in your 35 or 40-second commercial that you provide, that provides, like, because I'm sure taxes and things like that, it's ever changing. But like all the information that you've been providing and that you give, then you put out there, it's just phenomenal to see that you're on top of it. Like you're a master of your craft that goes in and does the extra work to keep on top of it. So definitely a testament to, to the information and the type of person you are, and to leave a company because they asked you to fire the rest of the people. That's incredible. I didn't know that, actually. I didn't even know that about you.
Well, if you think about it, if I have less staff, that's more work on me and more work on everybody else. And to be honest, we were already understaffed.
That's crazy. All right. So let's question number 3 then. What would be the ideal? So who would be the ideal person that should maybe come speak to you, or what are some of these indicators that maybe the person should?
So I won't mention any names specifically, but a tax service has gone, a Flagler County tax service has gone out of business in the recent year. And there are a lot of people who no longer have a place to go or have questions as to whether their return was prepared correctly or even filed. So those are the people that I'm trying to work with right now. I've hired an additional staff member here to help with the influx of those people. So really it's new business owners, and simply, again, it's the unknown. They don't know what, when, how, who, why, all that kind of stuff. And then it's people who don't know where to go. So CPAs are the creme de la creme, so to speak, with IRS as far as credentials go. The reason I have a lot of knowledge is because, number one, the Board of Accountancy requires me to take 136 hours every couple of years. I do way more than that. There are courses that come out every year on tax updates, and over the last couple of years with the numerous stimulus packages, you have to stay on top of this stuff. And I want to stay on top of that, but I need to stay on top of that to take good care of my clients.
Love it. I love it, man. All right. So, and the last question is, how do we get in contact with you? What's the best way to, if someone is looking to talk to you at least and maybe get your services, rock your services out, how would they contact you?
Yeah. So the best way is through my email, because I can reply to that at any point in time. We've had a client sitting in front of me trying to find some information for me on their phone. For example, I go to my email It's Chris Kocher at LCItaxes.com. You can call the office here at 386-586-3976. Facebook, LCItaxes.com, and you can find the email link there, or on the website, LCItaxes.com. You can find it there as well.
Awesome. Awesome, Chris. Well, I appreciate your time, man. Thanks for everything else. His name is Chris. My name is Wilson. And until next time, guys, we'll see you guys again soon. Peace.
Thanks, Wilson.